Curried goat. A main dish from Honduras. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Trim, wipe, and cut meat into 1-inch pieces. Season well with salt, pepper, and onions. Rub and curry well and allow to stand for about an hour. Step 2. Heat fat in skillet. Add meat and sauté. Add water. Cover tightly and allow to cook on low flame until meat is tender. Step 3. Add potatoes and cook until very soft and gravy is somewhat thickened. Serve hot in a ring of fluffy rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.